so excited? Are you so excited? So we're currently at our first stop, and you guys, look at how pretty this snow on the mountains. It's so pretty. And Moo's going to the potty right now. Don't escape, Moo. Look. Go potty. Hello everyone, so I just made it to California. I am currently at the Brixton factory, and for those of you that don't know, this is not the clothing company, this is the wheel company. So we are here taking a look around. I'm gonna go inside and show you guys everything, but as we were pulling in, I saw this Camaro, so of course I had to come take a look. But of course, Camaros always catch my eye, so I had to come look at it. Okay. Now I'm gonna go do what we're here to do. Dog. There's a dog. Oh.
This is Zena. She's super friendly.
Hello. What kind of dog is this? Hi, nice to meet you.
What's up? Nice to meet you.
Doggy, come here.
Your display goes right here.
Hi. You're sweet, huh? That's a girl. Okay guys, so I am inside at Brixton right now, and I just saw the wheel that I was looking at online. I am thinking about doing it, so let me show you guys. This is the wheel that I've been interested to do on my car, on the ZL1. Obviously this isn't the right color. I'd be doing like a gloss black just because I feel like gloss black is the only thing that would match on my car. Anything else would be too busy. I'd love to do like silver or something, or bronze, but I just don't think that'll work on my car. So gloss black is what I'm doing, and I'm thinking about this one. You guys, what do you think? Should I get this wheel in gloss black? What do you think, doggy?
I think you should
Satin?
Yeah.
I don't know, because I feel like satin looks dirty. Satin's nice, but at the same time it looks super dirty. So I was thinking about doing this wheel in gloss black. But I don't know. I don't know.
I'm like looking and it has like my name, it's just like Michelin like direct warehouse, and I'm like, I don't get shit repping, like nobody gets shit repping with Michelin. And then it says like McLaren like media car.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah, those are cheating.
I don't know, I haven't decided, so you guys let me know in the comments what you think and if I should do this wheel or not. I don't know, I'm indecisive. I just got back inside and Moo is literally freaking out because there was that dog in there. Moo, it's okay. But taking home some merch, which was super nice of them, and hopefully I get to work with them in the future on a new set of wheels for my car. I don't know, I'm really indecisive about everything that I do, so we'll see. Hello everyone! So we just got to Auto Addict, and I am walking there right now. I already see Camaros lined up out the door. I'm just gonna show you guys around with Camaros and everything, and yeah. It's cloudy today, very cloudy. Whoa, that orange is kind of pretty. Holy, guys, look at how packed it is today. This is like Camaro heaven right here. So there's this like lavender Mustang. This is such a pretty color. I've seen it on Instagram before. That's so pretty. Okay, so let's go inside. This is the visual. Oh, this sand is pretty. Look at all the carbon on this. Oh my gosh. There's a Hennessy ZL1 in here, so I'm gonna record when he starts it. That's so sick. Guys, he's starting the car. Oh my gosh! was not expecting it to be that loud.
That's nothing.
This carbon diffuser, I think I want that. I'm gonna hold my bag so I can take the pictures.
Thank you. Okay, do this one just like inside, like
Yeah.
on the car.
Turn it on! He wants me to turn on this car.
So I guess yeah, just you can record it, but I want you to if you turn it on, that way like if you turn it on, the airlift is gonna go up. So I just want to record
Just
it.
turn it on, that's it. Okay. Tell me when.
Okay. Okay, pues. Dime cuándo, güey. Okay, there. He's ready whenever you are.
Ready? Okay. Guys, so he just told me that a tree fell on this car during the storm. And look at this.
Insurance. I don't want to look at it or take it to insurance.
Oh my goodness. I'd cry in the mirror,
They'll total.
in the carbon.
That's why he doesn't want to.
Yeah, that's
too much into it. That's
It'll
why he
be
takes
told right away for that shit.
Insane. Whoa! Loud cars, loud. Okay guys, so we are at Auto Addict. I'm about to do a shoot for something I've been planning with them for a while now. I'm super excited, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a little giveaway. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but I'm gonna make a post of it. So stay tuned for the Instagram post, and yeah.
However you want, just tell Matthew and he'll shoot the car. It'll literally be like,
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Close.
You guys can win this wing in a giveaway. Meow. I don't want to say too much
Why?
because I need to make a post first. I'm doing a giveaway.
Yeah. Just like a little bit.
That's crazy.
So you guys heard it. If it's not after the ZL1, she's getting GT3 after. You guys heard it from us.
Really?
That's what she said. She drove it and she's going over to the next
Better get in line.
There we go. That deposit needs to be secured.
Be positive about it. You can't be negative or it'll never happen.